Hello and welcome again to part 3 of how to make your first presentation awesome. In this part we will see how to add awesome smart art, which I've been using for more than 20 years in making my presentations, and it's showing great results with all the audience. How to make animation for every part of this smart art, and how even to make some complex animations. We come here and we put our address again. It's web history, and this time we can here we can insert some smart art. Smart arts are great tools and ready for you to use. So we will speak about process, and we'll see something that presenting our process that's moving step by step. So we can check this one, for example. So it's okay. So like this, we will speak about our 3 points. If we like to add another point, just when we have our text pen here, we have in the design, you can activate your text pen, and then you can add shape. Maybe you need to make 4 steps, 5 steps, whatever you like. For example, you can just come to your text pen and press enter. You will find one step added. So just we click here, and we will add our steps from the previous slide. First web page, and here we were having 1998 Google was born, and the last one, you can see that your text is scale based on what you write inside. So in 2020, goodbye to Flash. Flash, and welcome to HTML5. Okay, but so is this color the good one? Is it the only one? No, of course. If you select on the design, you can change the color. You can make it more lively colors, like this one, for example. Even you can, if you go to format, you can change the shape fill yourself. So for example, you can, that was a complete shape fill, but we don't like this one, so Control Z, we remove it. Just you can go to one by one. If you click on this one and you go to format, shape fill, you can select different color, different lively colors. For example, this one is good one. It depends on your preference on the colors. Even if you have some image inserted, and you can select with the eyedropper the exact color you like. But so when we added a complete art, so it will not be animated, or it will be animated together. So if we check the first animation, say that, for example, fade. Like this, it will be fading all together, but that's not exactly what we want. We want to be fading in steps as we have done in the previous one. So here we will go to the this animation pen, right click on it, and check the effects option, and we have here smart art animation. You have here also it's coming as one object all at once, or coming one by one. So we will select one by one, and we will say okay. You will see now how it is coming. So we can expand here, okay, and then we can right click on them again, and we go to the timing. We can duration for each one coming, and the delay. So we can, for duration, for example, we will select 3 seconds. Okay, we can, I don't know if we can make them 7 seconds, for example. We can select 3 seconds, for example, just for the presentation. So we say okay, and now you can see they are coming in turn. You can set the timing as you like, and it's coming in a great one. So it is the end. No, we can make further some more animation to this presentation. Again, we can go to the animation menu, and you say we add animation. We have a lot of animation. You will have some nice time playing with them, but just I'm showing you the basics, and then you will be adjusting your presentation as you like. Now we can come, for example, to more options. There's one great here which is moving left, so I'll be moving them left, so I can leave a space to put my questioning head or thinking head again. So I say okay. Here you can see this red point is the end of the path they are walking. So instead of going, we can check our presentation how they are coming. So it's they are coming. Just I'm pushing on enter to make them clear. So it's coming out of the screen. So I'll make escape and return back to our presentation. So we have this red dot. It's showing us the end of the left transition. So I'm going to move it a little bit back here position. Okay, and then let me see our presentation. So here, just I'm pushing enter to go forward quickly, not to waste your time. Okay, and this one is going like this one. Okay, so we can move them to the inside a little further if you like, or we see something also interesting. We come here to this slide, and then we can copy these two images, for example. Control C, and then we go to our presentation and we add them. So they are coming here, and they are coming in their position with the animation. So if we see our slideshow here again, okay. This one animation is not coming. That's only the cloud, so we need to add an animation for this talking head also. So animation, fade, and it's coming at the end, but we need the cloud to come after it, so just we drag the clouds down. Okay, like this will be coming in a good order. So we see it again. So that's how our presentation will be showing, and we'll be having some time to speak. So either we are moving with a click, or we are moving with the timing. We make it with the previous as we've seen in the text points, and then it's moving to the side, and we give a chance for our talking head to come, which is preparing us for the next slide and the next slide and the next slide. So all we have seen here is a brief about how to make the presentation in a quick way. Coming lectures and coming videos, we will show you more details and more professional tips and tricks. But like this, even if you are making your first presentation and you followed the steps in this video, you will be able to make an awesome presentation from the first time, and you know how some of the professional tricks about making PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching till the end.